What's among the fallen police commandos in Mamasapano, and it's not by chance. They are time and again tested fighters who will defend their families and the country against all odds. Miguel Ortila had an up-close and personal encounter with the Cordillera people who remain faithful to defending our freedom.
In the Cordillera Highlands, many are embracing modernity. Centuries-old traditions are slowly fading, but some would stand the test of time. The Igorot will always be a warrior at heart. The death of 44 members of the Special Action Force left the entire country in mourning. It was especially heart-wrenching for those in the uplands, as 13 of those killed were their people.
We fight till the end, up to your last breath. Wala yan. Sa kulturang Cordillera, kahit alam mong talo ka na, hindi tayo, we never give up.
A ritual called Among welcomes the remains of Police Officer 3 Robert Alaga. This is the practice of burying an Igorot warrior.
The council elders, the tribe elders, allowed us into this evening's ato, or council meeting. Now, if you look around the ato, you'll see pieces of concrete standing, as well as this driftwood right here. It may look innocent, but these are very significant. This would tell you that members of this ato have killed other tribesmen from different tribes and brought the heads to this village as their trophies.
If they cut the head of that other tribe, they will put it here.
What's it called?
Shangi.
Julia Bete's father was a headhunter. Words are not enough to express her sorrow over the fallen Cordillera heroes.
Sakit. Sana it's only near so we could also go.
The Cordillerans have kept their warrior instinct. In fact, they make up about 2/3 of the Special Action Force. This elite unit has perhaps the most difficult training requirements in the police force. And beyond their spirited determination,
Physically speaking, they have. They're gifted. They're given with very strong physique.
they start tilling the soil at an early age and hike steep hills just to get to school. Poverty also drives many into the risky profession. Paulino Sabelo is an Igorot and a SAF commando.
Honestly speaking, lumalabas talaga yun. Karamihan din sa amin, sa taga-Cordillera. Kaso nga lang may kinoconsider din ako, sir. Kung pwede nga lang sumugod.
Janet Karap is crying inside for the loss of her husband.
He does not know anything. Basta ang alam niya lang natutulog na si Daddy. Kaya ka ba umiyak kasi hindi na nagigising si Daddy?
Janet is the widow of Police Officer 2 Peterson Karap. She shows no signs of giving up until justice is served.
I am at peace na Christians ang namatay. But then, hindi lang doon nagtatapos. I'm always seeking for justice. Hindi lang para sa asawa ko, para sa lahat ng 44 na yun.
The legacy of the Igorot warriors, the headhunters, continues to this day, this time as trusted defenders of family and country. Miguel Ortila, CNN Philippines.